Hey guys, today I want to interview one of my friend here, and let me introduce you to guys. His name is Naufal,
Naufal,
right?
Muhammad Naufal Ridani.
And yes, and he's from English Education Major.
Mm.
And I want to interview him about the topic dream jobs.
Yeah. Okay.
So we'll straight to the point. Um, what do you think dream job means?
Uh, in my opinion,
Hmm?
a dream job mean when you do something like a work or a thing you like to do to be your profitable work,
Yeah.
and you make income from it, and you make the source of living from that thing. So dream job, yeah, not uh, actually it's usually about hobby, a
Yeah.
person interest that turned to be his job, and he do it for his living. Yeah, I think
Yes.
that's
What
all.
about the things you like, right?
Mm,
That you turn into money, like that.
yeah, like me, I like drawing,
Yeah.
and not on drawing, because but I like any kind of art pieces.
Okay.
I like to see some aesthetic view,
Yeah.
but not on the aesthetic view, but the aesthetic meaning inside of that drawing.
Oh, aesthetic meaning inside the art.
The
You mean?
art, yeah, and the
Yeah.
art pieces.
Mm. Is all art pieces have aesthetic meaning?
Uh, I will say it yes. Not.
Even the artist, even if the artist just draw it for fun, they do not put the meaning into it.
Mm-mm. You actually you can see from that drawing or the art pieces
Yeah.
the feeling that the people pour into that art pieces, like you draw a sad people, so you will draw it like slowly with yeah, you just draw it slowly. But if you draw like something so apa, so what so high, full of spirit, you
Yeah.
will draw it like, yeah, you scratch the pen or the pencil, or you make something with
and
the,
and that's the case if
yeah,
the
spirit.
artist put their feelings into it. I ask you, what about the artists do not have feelings at all? Their
Mm.
feelings are flat, but they still doing
Make
art.
doing art.
If that still count as an artist that make an masterpieces are that you mentioned it before, master art
Mm.
is the aesthetic art that have meaning behind it.
So if people doesn't have a feeling in that art, actually you can see why did they make that art.
Yeah, why is the reason behind it?
Yet, oh, actually that's a reason, like he do it because he's bored
Yeah. Yeah.
in a boring state, or he just do it for his work, like, yeah, that's it, the dream job, or he's selling his art to other person.
And is that still count as an artist?
Yeah, I would still call that an artist, because yeah, it's not all about aesthetic too, because you can find it in the, like, the usage of that art, like the place that we take this video, it's counted as an art too, the art
Why?
of the builder. They
Okay.
build this,
Yeah.
like, make it a ground so people can uh, sit and working in with his assignment
Okay.
example, for example.
Mm-mm.
and the bench, the bench you can sit. It's like they scrap like a wooden. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's called art for the builder too. Yeah,
But
it's not
uh,
about usage too.
I curious if we talk about the artists that do not have feelings in their art. Do you think they have a minus point because of that?
And,
Because usually artists have feelings in their art, right? But I
uh,
myself draw just for money. But
yeah,
before I draw it for money, I draw it with feelings. But
you draw it for your
yeah,
fun.
but since I draw it for money, I don't even think I have the feelings that feelings anymore. It's like that.
Uh,
The feelings is just missing
yeah, just
out of
vanish.
nowhere. Yeah, finished.
So if you do an art
Yeah.
without feelings, the feelings, I think the feeling is poured to the other person who receive your drawing or buy your
Oh.
drawing. So
Oh.
people see your drawing and he smile like, oh, this is a great drawing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not, the art is not just only for yourself but for other people to enjoy the art.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe that's count as that. And we are going to the next. Uh, can you tell me what's your dream job?
Yeah, of course. My dream job is to be an artist,
Yeah.
but my second, like, if I don't become an artist, I think I will want to be an art teacher because I want to tell people that art is really fun too. You can push your creativity to the maximum state.
Okay. But
And
you take English education, right?
I take English education
Yeah.
because there is an art school in
In
the
there.
Borneo Island.
But over Borneo,
Yeah,
there,
in
out of
out of
Borneo,
Borneo,
they have that.
they have it. Yeah,
Why you
actually,
can why you not going to that? I think you really have a talent potential.
yeah, I think so. But like, yeah, it's not like I have that dream job of to be an artist.
Yeah.
But if I think it again, the job, if you turn your hobbies or your interest to be a job, it will not be fun anymore, like
Yeah.
things
Yeah.
you do. I
I
know
feel
it.
that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe for the other person they will happy, but not for myself again. So I take the English education because that's more profitable, and the the area of the English education is so much. You
Oh.
can go
Yeah.
abroad. Maybe you can
Yeah.
find some acquaintance,
Yeah.
like friends in online.
Or
So
friend
they,
or friends like
yeah,
that. So,
or yeah, from abroad. So he can teach you how to draw, something like that. You, yeah, you can uh, you you can just learn from the school or the education institute, but you can learn from other people too,
yeah.
not in the academic way always.
And we'll move to high salary. If you have a high salary, what will you use it for?
If I have an high salary,
Yeah.
I think if I become what my dream job is, like an art teacher or artist,
Yeah.
I will use my high salary for my healing, like healing,
Yeah, healing.
healing
Where
and
to? Where to?
yeah, healing to the like the art gallery and see other people artwork,
Oh, okay.
like they do in the Searing.
In the city. Oh,
Yeah, in the
they do art.
Searing, like now they do an art gallery a few weeks ago.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. That's so interesting.
I come it when it's like the weekend. See the art. There's so many art there.
Oh, how's the
From
art?
Hmm?
How's the art, you think?
Really good yet. Like it's not always a drawing, but it's like a art pieces, like something hanging that like the
That the 3D thing.
yeah 3D thing.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
that's so interesting.
Hmm.
I think I want to go to there again if there's a art gallery again.
Wow.
So I will spend my money
Yeah.
for my hobbies again.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
That's cool.
from
And which one you choose? Dream job with low salary but happy life, or high salary with stressed life?
yeah, like so much
And
pressure.
yeah,
Ah, if I think about it again, the high salary not promising, not always promising the happy life.
yeah. I think that too.
Yeah, because happiness is priceless.
Yes.
Um, so if I become artist with high salary, of course there's so much pressure there and so much expectation
Other people.
other people, from the person who asked me to draw. So like, hey, why did you draw this? And
Yeah.
it's not like my expectation. So
Yeah.
I will stress out.
Yeah.
Like
Even if you do your dream job, you can be stressed out too.
yeah, that's it.
If-
So like the football player,
Yeah.
they like playing football,
Yeah.
but when they join the league league or the championship
Yeah.
and they lose, it will stress him
Yeah.
out.
Yeah. That's right.
Yeah.
But if they win, they
They win?
will get a happy feelings, right?
Yeah, yeah, they will get the happy feeling, but the pressure is really high, and the risk is very high too.
That's right.
Yeah, this the mental health of the person with pressure, like when their mental health isn't stable, they will like, ah, why did I do this job?
Mm.
I don't think I like this job anymore,
Oh.
and he will abandon his job.
Okay. So,
His hobby.
do you prefer to keep drawing as your hobby, or what?
Uh, Actually, I have a 50-50 50, yeah, like 50-50 pendapat,
Okay.
50-50 opinion.
Yeah.
Like if I become an artist, like there's so many pressure, and it's
Even if you had a high salary with it, yeah, you
yeah.
have dream job and have a high salary.
If I don't have high salary but I have a happy life, maybe that's just become for myself. I think the best choice for me to be an art teacher.
Even if you don't have a high salary, you
Yeah,
still want to do that.
yeah, because I like to see other people work. How did they put their feeling, if they have the feeling, into the art piece that they make.
But are you sure you can live a happy life even without high salary?
It's really hard because
Yeah.
nowadays the everything is about money.
Yeah.
You want to go there, there's some money. You want to eat, with the money. So everything is money.
Yeah.
Even if you want to draw, you need to buy the art supply with
Yo,
money.
Yeah, that's
Wow.
right.
But actually, because I don't have so much money, I buy my art supply just the cheap one. But the result is like isn't really good, like not maximal.
Mm.
But it's not
Yeah.
always about the equipment. That's all about the skill.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
that's right.
If yeah, maybe my best choice is to be an art teacher, or if I didn't be an art teacher, I would be an English teacher who like art.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
that's cool. And the next question: do you think people should have a dream job?
I think every people should have a dream job because it's like they set a goal for their success. even they don't have any hobbies or interests,
Yeah.
a dream job is must be sad because like he have a point of why did he lie because I don't I still not achieve my dream job. Even the person hobbies are he like to cheat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you
So
think that can be the goals
the
of
girls,
their
yeah,
life,
yeah, I think.
even if they have a negative dream jobs like that.
Hey, yeah, but if they have a negative dream job, you
It's
should,
out of context, right?
yeah, the negative dream job. So it's not like we can say it's a dream job, but we can say we can find a suitable job for them. Like they can do a repetitive work because he likes to do cheating
Oh,
all
okay.
over and over.
Yeah.
So he can do repetitive thing like to be a builder or like yeah. I think there's so many repetitive job outside there. I think that's it.
That's a great problem solver out here.
Yeah.
And next question, sudah habis kayaknya.
Oh ya.
Udah
Closing.
16 menit.
Closing.
Closingnya gimana ya?
So I think that's all you can.
So I think that's all. We can do it for today. Thank
Yeah.
you guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you again.
Ini kayak